Middle School, and today we're going to be learning about hands-on equations. Today we are going to be using pawns and cubes. A blue pawn equals x, and a white pawn equals the opposite of x. We have cubes that are both constants, and a red cube equals a positive number, and a green cube equals a negative number. Together they make a pair of 0. Also, when you put a blue pawn and a white pawn together, they make a pair of 0.
Our first problem is 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. So first we are going to do what we call legal move, and since these are the same, it stays the same on the scale, so we can take those off, and then we can do that again. And then we want to isolate these pawns, so we're going to add a -3 to both sides to keep the scale even, and when we add a -3 and a +3, it equals a pair of 0. So then we have a 3 on this side too, and then we can subtract +7 and -3, and we have +4. So then we have x equals 2. Our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 2 equals the opposite of 10 plus x. So we want to isolate these numbers and get rid of this cube. So we're going to add a -2 to each side because that makes a pair of 0 for these two, and it keeps the scale even. So then we can take those off, and we have -12 here. And then we also want to get rid of this pawn, so we can do what we call a legal move, and we can add a pair of 0 on this side because it doesn't change the value. And then since these two are the same thing, it's another legal move, and we can take those off. When we do this, the opposite of x equals 2. Our last problem is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus the opposite of 3. So to begin, we are going to try and isolate these pawns. So we're going to get rid of this by adding a -5 to this because it equals a pair of 0, and we also have to add it to this side to keep the scale even. So we can take that off, and then we can add those, and we have the opposite of 8. Then we want to get rid of these two, so this is a legal move because they are the same. So we can take those off and then add a pair of 0 to keep the scale the same, and take both of those off. And then we have 4 pawns, so we take 8 divided by 4, and our answer is the opposite of x equals 2.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.